See where today on this Thursday now. Got the passenger side storage in, the fenders are in, front deck's together. We've got our spare tire mount. This is custom made right here in Gator Pit. We make our own mounts instead of buying them. That's 1/4 inch thick 2x2 square tube with a 1/4 inch thick plate, and we actually use lug studs for that. So that's actually lug studs, or they go in hubs. Some of y'all may probably know what I'm talking about, some of y'all may not. We got our gas system in. There's your tank holder. There's your end line for your regulator hose to hook up. There's your line there, your control valve, and a cover plate to protect that gas line. And you notice we put this plate in here as well to give this gas line some reinforcement, some strength, as opposed to going just through the mesh. And this locks your tank in place. Now they're looking at mounting a sign that goes over it. Our firebox door is now on as well. And that's what they're looking for. Looking to do is mount the sign that's going on it, which is right here. That we cut out yesterday, you saw in that video. And it's gonna be red from the passenger side. So you'll be on this side, standing back, and you'll see their sign right there, right above the counterweights. Rich Robin, Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. See ya.